serve as a preparation for the holiday of Purim and the holiday of Pesach. In Likutey Halakhos, there are beautiful explanations regarding each one of these Dalet Parshas, Parshas Shekalim, Parshas Zohar, Parshas Torah, and Parshas Chodesh. We're going to try to cover some points regarding the topic of Parshas Shekalim. But Hashem was willing to establish residence down below on earth in a physical structure, in the Mishkan. V'asuli mikdosh v'shochanti b'socham. One specific nekuda that relates to Parshas Shekalim. As part of the initiation of the Mishkan, and this also took place every single year on Rosh Chodesh Adar, be'echod ba'adar mashmiim al Shekalim. On Rosh Chodesh Adar, an announcement would be made for every single Jew to come and join, become a member, an official member of the Mishkan by paying their membership dues, which was this Half-Shekel, Machatzis HaShekel. The Torah teaches us that we cannot be connected to Hashem without the help of Moshe Rabbeinu, without the tzaddik. So for this, the Mefarshim point out an incredible thing. If you take a look at the word Machatzis, the middle letter, the center, is tzaddik. The two letters that are close to the tzaddik are ches yud, which is chai, living, alive. The two letters that are distant from the tzaddik in the word machzis, mem tov, is meis. That this concept of the machzis hashekel, this mitzvah of tzedakah to the Mishkan, the highest forms of tzedakah are building structures for Hashem, a Mishkan, a Beis Hamikdash. The closest thing to it are the Batei Knesiyos and the Batei Midrashos, our shuls and our study centers. Another very, very critical message in this machzis, in the building of the Mishkan, building this residence for Hashem. The Mishkan was a forerunner for the Beis Hamikdash. The first Beis Hamikdash, we're told that it was destroyed as a result of three sins. The first was idol worship. In addition to that, adultery and shfichas damim, murder. That destruction lasted 70 years. Hashem gave us the privilege of building a new Beis Hamikdash, the second Beis Hamikdash. That lasted also hundreds of years and was taken away from us as a result of one sin: unwarranted, unjustified hate and negativity between Jews. We had a few weeks ago in Parshas Shmois, where Moshe Rabbeinu, who was raised in the house of Paro, and he sees two Jews killing each other. He sees two Jews fighting, and he says, Rosha, lama sakareyecha. Rosha, why are you striking your friend? Now he sees Jew against Jew. Moshe Rabbeinu says right after that, Ochein noda hadovar. Now I realize. Now I understand. Now I have the answer to my question. So Rashi HaKodesh says there, quoting the Gemara, Moshe Rabbeinu had a big question. Why? Why a Jewish Holocaust? Why an Inquisition? To destroy Jews, why? Moshe Rabbeinu said, now I have the answer. The answer is machloket. Lack of unity in the Jewish people. This is the answer. This is what Rashi HaKodesh says in Chumash. So the Mefarshim tell us that when it comes to building a Mishkan, when it comes to having a sanctuary that can house Hashem, Hashem made it perfectly clear to every one of us, you're half. No Jew can ever say, I am it, I am a whole. We're a half. Every Jew, the wealthiest Jew, the poorest Jew. This means wealth financially, wealth religiously, wealth and brains. Every Jew is a half. They need another Jew to complete themselves. They need a wife, they need a chavrusa, they need a child, they need a student. No Jew stands alone. Hashem echad, Hashem is one. Every single one of us, together with someone else, we have the potential to make a whole. We should be zecher to study the Torah, to study every word, every letter of the Torah that has in it advice, guidance, to improve us, to perfect us, and to give us the clarity that we need to know what it's going to take to build the third and final Beis Hamikdash, and to bring about the coming of Moshiach, b'mehera v'yameinu, amen v'yameinu.